Hello, my dear students. Before class, we have discussed about the linear inequalities. You know the symbols, unequal symbols, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. We will write the any relation between the two numbers or two algebraic expressions by using the inequalities. Okay. Now, for suppose 2 less than 3. 100% I hope that. Less than 2 less than 3. Yes or no? You know already before class I explained already. 2 less than 3. This is called inequality. First of all, algebraic expressions x plus 2 less than 1. Here linear equation x plus 2 less than 1 or greater less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Clearly explained, my dear students. I hope that you understand. Now, these are the unequal symbols. These symbols we will write any two real numbers or any algebraic expression. Compulsory we will write, okay? Or any trigonometry function. Sin x is greater than cos x in pi by 4 to pi by 2 values in the interval. Okay, my dear students. Now, in this one, small brackets, big brackets, open brackets, closed here in this one. This is open bracket. When how to write this one means here x belongs to this one. X belongs to a comma b means a and b are not including in that interval other than a comma b, those values including that interval. Now, for example, x belongs to closed interval a comma. What is the meaning of this one? All the values in between the a and b and a comma b also including in that interval, my dear students. Now, already before clearly I explained that one. Okay, now graphical solutions. This is very important for class 11 and also class 12, my dear students. Please listen carefully. How to do the problems. Now, before we are going to this topic, I will explain some important definitions or whatever may be, some important topic. But suppose what are the coordinate axes? You know very well. What are the coordinate axes means this one. This is the y axis, this is the x axis, this is y axis. Those point of intersection is called RZ. Those are called coordinate axes. You know very well. Okay. This is 0, positive x axis, this is positive y axis. Okay. Whatever positive, this extend this side. This side is called negative x axis, this is called negative y axis. These are the coordinate axes. Coordinate axis divides the plane into 4 parts. Each part is called quadrant. Here in this first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, fourth coordinate. Okay. This x axis is perpendicular to this y axis, this is perpendicular to this one, this is perpendicular to this one, this is perpendicular to this one. I hope that you understood or not? Yes. For suppose here you take for suppose 0 degrees, this is 90 degrees, this is 180, this is 270, this is 360. Again one circular completed. One circular means 100% 360 degrees. Okay, my dear students. Now, here observe that this is the first coordinate means this is right side positive, this is positive means in the first coordinate x comma y both are positive. Now, in this one x negative, y positive. In this one both x and y negative. In this one fourth coordinate x positive, y negative. You know very well, I think. Okay. Now, one property is suppose from here to here distance, x, here to here distance, for suppose y. This distance is x, this distance is y. Now, draw parallel to this line. Parallel to this. What happened this point? This point is called x comma y. Now, the distance from origin to this point, for suppose m is x. This distance is for suppose n. Origin to this distance is y. Now, the point is px comma y. Means the distance from p to the x axis, that is equal to y. The distance from p to the y axis, that is equal to x, px comma y. You know very well, I think. Yes, my dear friends. Now, what I am discussing now. Here, for suppose this is the x axis means nothing but the horizontal line. How many lines we will draw the parallel to x axis? How many lines we will draw the parallel to x axis means so many infinite lines. Means horizontal lines. This is horizontal line, say yes or no? This is horizontal line. This is also horizontal. How many lines we will draw? Infinite lines. Now, above the x axis, below. So, what is the concept is here going on? The equation of the horizontal line. This is the horizontal, this is also horizontal line. Okay, horizontal line means parallel to x axis. How many lines are parallel to x axis? Means infinite lines parallel to the x axis. Okay, my dear students. Now, we will draw the horizontal line. One line is above the x axis. So we will draw the infinite line, no problem. But I drawn only one line. Okay, this is a line parallel to x-axis, this line also parallel to x-axis. This is the above x-axis, this is the below x-axis. For suppose here this distance, for suppose from here to this line, the distance is for suppose k. Here same distance, no problem at all. Same or different, no problem. This is for suppose k1, this distance is k2. Okay, my dear students. This is the horizontal line, this is also horizontal line. What is the equation of the horizontal? This horizontal line equation is 100% y is equal to k. Y from this one to this one distance is k1 means this is point is 0 comma k1. In this one, what is the value of y? K1, that is y is equal to k1. 100%. Now in this one, this is negative x axis. Distance is k2. This point intersected this point. What about this point means 0 comma minus k2. In this one, what about the point is y value? This is y is equal to minus k2. That's why the equation of the horizontal equation of y axis is x axis. Equation of the x axis is equation of x axis is y is equal to 0. Equation of y axis x is equal to 0. Okay, what is the equation of x axis means? Y equal to 0. You will take any point on the x axis, 100% y coordinate must be 0. That's why the equation of the x axis is y equal to 0. Now equation of the y axis is must and should x is equal to 0. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Okay, my dear students. Now simply here the equation of the horizontal line, at a distance of k units or k1 units above the x axis. Below the x axis means just same formula but sign is different. Okay. I hope that understood or not. Yes, but suppose we will go to the next one, vertical lines. Vertical lines. Now we will take the again coordinate axis. These are the horizontal lines. This is x axis, this is y, this is horizontal. Vertical lines are left side and right side. This is the right side. For suppose this is distance is k. Left side this distance is. From this one to this one distance is k means this is 100% k comma 0. Say where x value is equal to k, that is x is equal to k. X is equal to k means vertical line, the right side of the y axis at a distance of k units from origin to the right side. X is equal to k. That is called equation of vertical line. Now this is for some this is also distance is k. What about the point? Minus k comma 0. In this one x value is equal to x is equal to minus k. This is left side. Left side of the y axis at a distance of k units, that equal x is equal to minus k. Okay, my dear students. Please remember this one. Now how to graphical solution of the linear inequalities in two variables. Two variables means 100% x comma y are the variables. Linear means those x and y powers must and should 1. Okay, my dear students. Inequalities. What are the inequalities is going on? For suppose ax plus by less than c, ax plus by less than or equal to c, ax plus by greater than c, ax plus by greater than or equal to c. These are called linear inequalities in two variables. X and y are the variables. Linear means power 1. These are the inequalities. Now we can find the solution of those equations. Okay, we will find the solution of those inequalities. Okay, how to find the solution of those inequalities? Before clarity, I will explain one problem very carefully. After that, we will do the remaining problems. Listen carefully, my dear students. Now we will take the one problem. What is going on? The problem is, for suppose x plus y or 2x plus y, 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 1. I will explain this one. Okay, my dear students. Now find the solution of the linear equation. Okay, my dear students. Now how to draw the first we draw the graph. After that, what is the solution? You will find the region. How to find the region of the solution? Which point satisfies the solution? Okay, satisfies. Now first we will take the equation. Here 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. Whatever may be, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, whatever may be is given. First we will take the equation. Okay, my dear students. Now what is the equation is going on? Now let us consider the equation. Let us consider the equation. What the equation is going on? 3x plus 4y is equal to 1. Let us consider the equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 1. Okay, my dear students. After that, in this one, put the value of x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Now what about y? X value 0 means 3 into 0 0. 4y is equal to 12. Here this value is 0 100%. Okay. Y is equal to 12 by 4, that equal to 3. Now what about this point? 0 comma 4 ones are 4 3. 0 comma 3 is the point. Okay, my dear students. Now this is the point is 0 comma 3. For suppose you will take this one, a whatever maybe, no problem. Put y is equal to 0 in the given equation. Y equal to 0 means this is 0. 3x is equal to 12. Now x is equal to 12 by 3, that equal to 4. Okay, my dear students, what happened? What the point is going on? First we write the x comma y, that is 4 comma 0. For suppose this is equal to b. Now we draw the graph. Draw the graph for these values. Now we will take the y axis and x axis. Okay, no problem with x axis, y axis. Okay, my dear students. Now this is 100% origin. Now right side positive values, left side negative values, upper side positive, lower side negative. 1 in it. You will take the graph paper better. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Here 1 2 3. Now observe that here. What about a value? A value is 0 comma 3. Here x value is 0, y value 3 means the point lies on the y axis. This is the point A. This is A 0 comma 3. Yes. Next, what about B? 4 comma 0. B 4 comma 0. This point is B 4 comma 0. Now joining these points. This is the line. What is the line is going on? 3x plus 4y is equal to 1. Whenever we will draw the graph, the region is divided into two parts. This is one part, this is one part. This is the half part, this is the another half part. This is first of all region 1, this is region 1, this is region 2. Below the line it is called region 1, above the line that is called region 2. Consider. Now what the solution is? Solution is here two types. One type is, for suppose the graph is this is inequality. Actually equation means it is over. Whenever you will take the inequality, that solution is two types, 100%. What is the solution is going on means, for suppose the graph is towards the origin. Towards the origin means in this way, towards the origin, in this way, towards the origin means. The solution is the region 1. In this region 1, we will take any point satisfies this inequality, including the points on the line also, and the line also. Whenever the graph, whenever the means solution towards the origin. How to find the towards the origin? Not towards the above the origin. How to find? I will explain. Just 1 minute. Okay, after 1 minute I will explain. Okay. Now how to calculate the towards the origin and above the origin? What the region is going on? Okay. Now for suppose first we will take the given equation. What is the given equation? 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 1. What I am telling you, the inequality towards the origin or above the origin. It depends on the origin. What is the meaning of the origin? Means x value 0, y value 0. If you substitute x value 0, y value 0. 0 comma 0 substitute in this one. 3 into 0, 0. 4 into 0, 0. Less than or equal to 1. Okay, 0 plus 0 means 0 less than or equal to 1. Whenever 0 less than or equal to 1 means condition satisfied or not. Here, this means whenever the symbol, see here, two arrows, which side is there, that is the bigger, 0 less than or equal to 12. Here 12 is bigger, yeah, compared to 0. Condition satisfied. Whenever you substitute the 0 comma 0 in the given inequality, condition satisfied means the graph means towards the origin. Means here 100% the shaded region in this way. Now write the solution. What the solution is going on means, the solution of this inequality is the region 1. Region 1 means this one, this part, total this part. Region 1. We will take any point in this region. We will take any point in this region, compulsory this inequality must be satisfied. Region 1 and including the line also. Whenever towards the origin means 100%, region 1 and the line also satisfies the given condition. Okay, observe that or not? For suppose the same problem, for suppose what happened? Here greater than is there, for suppose. Here what happened? 0 greater than or equal to 1. Condition satisfied? Not satisfied. Condition not satisfied means above the origin. Above the origin means here. For suppose. What is the solution? Only region 2, not including the line. Only region 2, this region, not including the line. That's why. Here solution is two types. What is the region 1? Region 2. This is lower part, this is upper part, no problem. Towards the, whenever the graph towards the origin, whenever the graph is towards the origin means this side, how to calculate? This side. Okay. Whenever the graph is towards the origin, what is the solution? The region 1 and including the line. For suppose above the origin, the graph is above the origin, what is the solution? Only region 2, not including the line. Not including the line. In this way, we will do the problems, my dear students. I hope that understood or not. What is the solution of this? What is the solution of this problem? The solution of the above, this is 1, for suppose. The solution of the inequality 1 is the, here, the shaded region 1 and including the line also. This is the solution for the given graph. Okay, my dear students. Now we are going to the second problem. For suppose what happened? Simply in this way we will complete the problems. Very easy. Okay. Don't what is I am telling you? Don't tense. Okay. Now we are going to the next problem. What the next problem is going on? For suppose 3x plus 2y is greater than 6. Solve. 3x plus 2y is greater than 6 graphically. Graphically. Already before I explained you. What I am explaining before? 100% it is given less than or equal to greater than, whatever may be it will given. We will take the first equation. Let us consider 3x plus 2y is equal to 6, my dear students. After that, put the value of x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, what happened? This is 0, 2y is equal to 6, y is equal to 6 by 2, that equal to 3. Now y equal to 3. I hope that you understood or not? Yes. Now what is the point is going on? X value 0, y value 3 means 0, 3. This is for suppose A. Next, if y is equal to 0, what happened? Y is equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means this is 0. 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 3. That equal to 2. What happened? X is equal to means 2, 0. This is B. Now substitute these values on the real line. What happened, my dear students? This is x axis. This is y axis. This is origin. Now we will take the positive side. 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. What about the first point? 0, 3. This is A point. Now B 2, 0. This is B 2, 0. This is draw the points. What about this line means 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. This line divides the two regions with respect to the origin. This is the region 1. This is region 2. Now the what is the solution means either region 1 including the line, only region 2 not including the line. Whenever it is possible towards the origin, the graph towards the origin must include the region 1 and including the line. Okay, not towards the origin means above the origin means only part 2. Above the origin means only part 2. Below the means towards the origin means 100% region 1 and this one. How to check? How to check means we will take the inequality. What is the inequality? 3x plus 2y greater than 6. Clearly observe that. Put x is equal to 0, y equal to 0. What happened? 3 into 0, 0 plus 2 into 0, 0 greater than 6. 0 greater than 6 is right or wrong? 0 is greater than 6. No. Condition is not satisfied. Condition is not satisfied means the graph above the origin. Above the origin means here. In this way we will draw the graph. Okay, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not. Yeah, above the origin. Now above the origin means what the solution is going on? Region 1 or region 2? This is the second region is the solution, not including the line, only this part. This part is the solution of the given inequality above the origin. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you understood or not? Yes, in this way we will complete the problems. Okay, next we are going to another topic. Okay, my dear students, observe that here, next problem. Graphical solution. Okay, in this one two variables are there. 3x plus 2y less than equal to. Before only one equation inequality is given, but here this one and this one is given. Don't tense. Simple. The same process we will do the problem. First we will draw this. First 100% solution. Whenever the inequation is given means compulsory we find the shaded region. In the region 1 or region 2, must and should you remember. That is the major important task in this one problems. How to find the region you know very well. Okay, my dear students, how to? Now first we will take the, let us consider what is going on. 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. Same process. Actually you will write in intersect form is also easily. You cannot put the x by x value 0, y value 0. Okay. Directly intersect form you take the a and b values, no problem at all. Okay. Now okay. Now what happened? X is equal to 0. Directly we will write. Okay. If x is equal to 0, what happened? X is equal to 0 means 2y is equal to 12, 2y is equal to 12, y is equal to 6. Directly. That implies therefore a is 0 comma 6. I hope that understood. Okay, if y is equal to 0, what happened? Y equal to 0 means here 0, 3x is equal to 1, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4. What the point is going on? 4 comma 0. Now here we will take the consider, this is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Lines we will take, x is equal to 1, you know vertical line, y is equal to is the horizontal line. This is the right side of the y axis, this is the above the x axis. You know, so today I explained starting, x is equal to 1. Vertical line means from origin to the distance is 1, right side. Y is equal to from origin to the on y axis at a distance of 2, that is the line. Okay, my dear students. Now here let us consider lines. What are the lines? X is equal to 1. This is first equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Next y is equal to, this is equation number 3. Now okay, before we will do conditions are set towards the origin or above the origin. Okay, we will take first one here inequality. You will take the 3 inequalities, no problem. Here you will take the 3 inequalities, no problem. Check, just check. 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 12. Okay. Next one, what is going on? Okay, condition is satisfied or not? 0 comma 0 substitute means towards the origin or above the origin region. Okay. Now what happened? 3 into 0 0. Okay, my dear students. 2 into 0 0, 0 less than or equal to 12. Condition is satisfied. Okay, means this graph 100% towards the origin. Next we will take x greater than or equal to 1. Put x value 0, 0 greater than or equal to 1. Condition not satisfied means above the origin 100%. Okay. Next condition is y greater than or equal to. Substitute y value 0, 0 greater than or equal to. Condition is satisfied? Not satisfied. Means 100% above the origin. Now draw the graph. One by one we will draw the graph. This is x axis, this is y axis. 0, 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. Now first this one. What is the value of 3? 4 is there. 4, 5, 6 also there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now we will take. Okay. Now 1 minute, my dear students. Up to 6 is there. Okay, that's why I am writing the graph. Only all positive values. That's why I didn't take the negative values. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, my dear students. Now y value is also 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the going on, my dear students? A value 0 comma 6. 0 comma 6 here. I hope that you understood. You know the graphs. Okay. B value. What is the B value? 4 comma 0. This is 4 comma 0. B value. Now draw the graph. This line, you know, x, sorry, what is this? 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. What is the graph? This is two parts. Actually, what is the solution is going on here? 100% condition satisfied means towards the, here clearly observe that, towards here in this way, towards the origin. This is the solution. Okay, towards the origin. No problem. Towards the origin. Okay, it is over. This line is over. Next, what is going on? X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means vertical line. X is equal to 1 means this one. X is equal to 1 means this one. This is x is equal to 1. What about condition satisfied or not? Not. Means above the origin. Above the origin means in this way. Above the origin. Not toward the origin. This is half plane, next half plane. This is first half plane, this is second half plane. Means not satisfied means in this way. Okay, my dear student. I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Next, y is equal to. Y is equal to means horizontal line. Y is equal to here. This is y is equal to. You draw the different sketches. No problem. You will clearly observe. Y is equal to. Y, whenever you draw the y is equal to means this is half plane. This is second half plane. Here condition is not satisfied means above the origin. Above the origin means in this way. Above the origin. Now three lines, observe that in this one, here in this one, okay, in this one observe that three lines are intersect where this is the point, for suppose here AB, this is C, three lines intersect. What is this one? Crossing lines, after that these lines and these lines, three lines are intersect. Here for suppose this is D, this is E. Observe that three lines are intersect, this region. This is the solution part. Solution region, that is called solution region. Simple. We draw the graph for first line, we draw the graph for second line, and towards the origin or above the origin, clearly observe and draw the lines. Those lines, 1, 2, 3 lines are given, means 3 lines intersects. Those intersect of the 3 lines, that is called the solution part of the given inequality. Okay, in this way, simple problems. This is the solution part. The shaded region is called the solution of the given inequalities. Okay, my dear friends, I hope that you understood the problem. Thank you, one and all. In this way, we will complete the remaining problems. If you have any doubts, please ask in my personal WhatsApp number and subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Lakshman Rudra. Okay, thank you, one and all.